Of these?
Yeah, how do we take the seeds out of marigolds?
Actually, you do this. Is this going to be a little video that we're going to put on Forever Farm?
It can be, if you wanted to.
I do.
Good. So when did we collect those pods?
In the winter last year.
And this is how we harvest the marigold seeds?
Yes.
See, that's awesome.
I'm not showing my face.
That's perfectly fine. They just come right out, don't they?
It's quite windy today. Do you think it's long?
Because we live in Kansas, don't we?
It was swing on the end of March.
So there it is.
Now we're done.
Good job. These are zinnias that we harvested last fall. And Charlie's just gonna pick out the seeds. There's the seeds right there.
And is that quite fast?
Yeah, you can do it fast.
Did I tear some pieces of
A lot of seeds in there, isn't there? It's pretty amazing.
Fun fact.
Fun fact.
And the more petals a zinnia has, the more seeds. The more seeds that it makes.
This is amazing.
And here's a fact about some parasitic plant. Do you know there's a parasitic plant called butter and eggs?
It's crazy. That's a funny name. You're so good at that, kiddo. Good job. There you go.
Silence is so loud tonight. There's an ocean on the kitchen tile. It won't be long till the storm is gone. Well, alright.